chilling to do this year, the Queen Quet. Happy New Year. This year what's going on. We got the opening of the Shrimp Kingz truck right just in Keltner Island, Martin Luther King Memorial Park on Martin Luther King Day. You ain't there yet, you better be on your way. It's going down, truly, proudly, authentically, Gullah Geechee. Let's talk to the proprietor and the owner, y'all. Check it out, this how we do. Peace and love. Gullah Geechee love sent out to all of you. Keep it wired, killer.
So what's this new business you opening up here?
Success!
I know that's right.
2021, let's go!
I know that's right. So what's the name of the company?
Shrimp Green Meals on Wheels, LLC. DBA Shrimp Kingz.
Shrimp Kingz? And where the Shrimp Kingz coming up out of? Where is it?
The 29920.
Yes, St. Helena Island. St. Helena Island in effect, yes. Alright, the Shrimp Kingz. This is the opening. This is the success. This is the opening. Our homeboy Julius Green, Shrimp Kingz. They're getting their lunch. They're getting everything. This is a blessing.